Chris Evans here, and what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be unboxing the new PlayStation VR aim controller bundle. Super stoked to try this out, so let's get into it. Alright, so I guess it comes in this big ass box. Covered by more stuff. What is this? Alright, so what it comes with here is the game Farpoint. That is specifically what they made this new aim controller for. Later on they got more games that it's going to be compatible with other than Farpoint, so can't wait to see that. So we'll just set that over here. Bam. Got a little instruction manual. Here it is. Alright, let's see what this looks like. Oh, this looks nice. Look at that. That is beautiful. Okay, so see, I was thinking you'd have to use the motion controllers you already have and kind of connect it in, but it looks like it's just built into the controller itself. You got L1, L2 buttons right there, right on the front, where you'll kind of hold. And also in the front too, if you see, it's got a little joystick. You got a share button, options button, and your D-pad, all right in there. Oh, look at that trigger. Look at that. It's almost like see-through plastic right there. Pretty big. Feels nice and smooth. There's not clicking. It's just a smooth trigger. And then right here, it looks like you got your R1, the R1 button on both sides. And it looks like this is actually looks like the center touchpad that's usually on the DualShock controller, and it's also a clickable one too. Curious to see how they'll be using that. Then you got the PlayStation button right there. Oh, look at that, turns on. Pressing that PlayStation button, blinking. Probably that's probably how you'll sync it. I imagine. Yep, you'll probably have to sync it through connecting at the bottom right there. So in the back, this is curious to see how they'll use that. So you got your triangle, square, circle, X buttons all in the back, along with another joystick right there. So yeah, I'm curious to see how both of these and all these buttons interact within the game. So that's it. It's really light. Feels good in the hands. I imagine it's gonna feel good in the game. So yeah, that's it. That is the aim controller. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos when I post me actually playing Farpoint with it. All right, see y'all later.